Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show first start of a 30 ton per day capacity flake ice machine with a compact design and many other similar machines with a split design over there. We're going to make 50 machines with a split design within 2 months. All these machines belong to one buyer. And that is the richest customer in this world because he can buy so many big capacity flake ice machines in one order. The rich people are smart people. So why the smart people choose our flake ice machine? There are three reasons. Reason number one, our machine can make thicker and stronger ice flakes compared with other Chinese machines. We manufacture the flake ice evaporator by ourselves. We make the best evaporator with the top efficiency. With the most efficient evaporator, our machines can make thicker and stronger ice flakes. With the most efficient evaporator, our machine's actual capacity can always exceed the nominal capacity, even when they are working in tropical countries. With the most efficient evaporator, the ice making is very power saving. And the power saving technology can make your ice business more profitable. Okay, that is the reason number one. Here's the reason number two. Our machines are very stable. We put many additional components to make sure the system works with safety. For example, we add oil chiller in the system. The oil chiller can prevent oil getting hot too much. And that guarantees very good quality oil. With good quality oil, the compressor service time will be very long and the compressor never breaks down. We put additional cooling power in the condenser. We can see this is the water cooling condenser, and it's much bigger than needed. The machine's capacity is only 30 tons per day, and this condenser is actually big enough for a 45 ton per day capacity machine. So even when a little limb scale of calcium is formed inside, it will not affect the system's working performance. And so there is no chance for the compressor oil to get hot. Okay, and we also add a filter before the pump in the cooling tower. So it will make the user's job much more easier when they clean the condenser with chemical, okay? Because user always need to clean the condenser after a long time use. That is inevitable. So we make it very convenient for the user, and the user will clean the condenser whenever they want, whenever needed. Okay, number three, my factory is the biggest flake ice machine manufacturer in this world. Just to check around. We're going to make 50 machines like this within 2 months. Here you already see 16 evaporative condenser. Here we're going to put 50 evaporators here. The same like this, we're going to put 50. And there will be 50 compressing condensing units in this area. We're going to finish doing that within 2 months. There is nobody, no other factory in this world who can show you so many big capacity machines in the same place at the same time. We're going to finish making all these big capacity machines within 2 months. Okay, let's keep walking. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we're going to test these 4 machines. By that time, I will make video to show the quality of ice made by the machine. As I mentioned just now, our machine will make thicker and stronger ice flakes. Such thicker and stronger ice flakes are with more cooling power, and they can last for longer time with the seafood. Your customer will take your stronger ice, not your competitors' thin and wet ice. So this machine is ready for working. Tomorrow, we are going to make video to show the quality of ice made by this machine. Okay, we are going to collect some ice made by the machine so we can clearly check the quality of the ice. Bring the camera here. Come. Okay, so this is the ice made by the machine. It's hot like stone. You see, it's very well frozen. Okay, so we bring the ice here. Let's check the thickness of the ice. We collect 2 pieces and more than, so I thickness more than 2.5, almost a 3 millimeter. Then we will collect more, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm going to more than 10, huh? See, 12. So more than 3 millimeter. 1, 2, 3. It should be more than 7.5. Wow, see? So the ice thickness is more than 2.5 millimeter. This is a very well frozen, high quality ice flakes. It's thicker and stronger, and they are with more cooling power. They can last for longer time. Check the ice. This is the best quality ice. Okay,